Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic data science. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in data science and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, data science is a very important topic nowadays, and if you want to start your career or you want to study the some new domain, so data science is a very new domain nowadays and a very successful domain, we can say. Friend, basically data science, if you just see the term data science, so that means science which is related to data. Now what does it mean by data? Data means a raw data, raw information basically. For example, let's suppose the video clips, like the documents, like the forms, like the surveys, etc. So this is basically a data in an organization. Now by using the science means like some algorithms, like for example artificial intelligence, machine learning, etc., some programming languages. By using the some science, we can make the data meaningful data means that data which we can use to analyze, which we can use to visualize, which we can use to take decisions, which we can use to represent it to the management in form of reports actually. So that is basically the concept of data science. So just remember, these are the two terms: data science, that means applying the methodologies, different science methodologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, programming languages, other tools, so we can convert, we can get the insights, we can get the meaningful data, meaningful information from the data, through which we can take the decisions on based on that. So that is called as the concept of basically data science. Now when we talk about data science, the first step is basically data ingestion. Data ingestion means collecting of the data in an organization. Collection means that we know that whenever we are working in any organization, there are so many types of data is available. For example, in forms data available, the in Excel format data is available, like audios, videos, log files, pictures, the social media files, like for example YouTube videos, Facebook page, Instagram post. So many types of data is available in an organization. So we have to collect all the data, rather it is in a print format, rather it is a digital format. So we have to collect all the data at one place. This is the first place, this is the first stage in data science. That means stage 1, data ingestion. And data ingestion means collection of data, which is all the types of data which is available, and variety of methods are used to collect the data. For example, manual entry, web scraping, real-time streaming data, etc. So we have to collect all the data at one place in the data ingestion. That is the stage 1. Then stage 2. Stage 2 means that whatever the data which we have collected, we have to we have to store it somewhere or process it. Store means, for example, you need you need the storage on the computer, for example, to store all the media files like YouTube files, the Facebook post. So we have to collect or manage all the data at some place. You can also use some warehouse, some place where you collect all the data. It is also possible that you collect the data in a manual format, like for example the print format, like hard copies, printouts. So you need a warehouse as well to store the data. Maybe you collected the data in a digital format, so you need a computer storage to store all the data. So basically the stage 2 is the storage, storing the data and processing of data. So that is the stage 2 in data science. Then data analysis. This is the stage 3. Basically in the stage 3 we are basically whatever the data we have collected and stored, we are in this stage 3. We are analyzing the data. Analyzing means by we are analyzing the patterns, we are analyzing the distributions within the values of data. We are using data analytics. So we and also using the machine learning or artificial intelligence and modeling, data modeling techniques. We are analyzing the data. Analyzing the data means that we are analyzing the patterns and trends of data. So that is called as the data analysis, in which we use different data modeling techniques, artificial intelligence, predictive analytics, machine learning, and deep learning as well. So it's a very comprehensive model, comprehensive way to analyze the data. The main objective of data analysis is to analyze the trends of data or the patterns of data, whether what is basically the patterns and ranges of distribution in the data. And last step is the communicate. Communicate means that once you analyze the patterns, ranges, distributions of the data, you visualize the data. Visualize means that you can use graphs of data, you can use reports, you can use the graphical representation of data, so that it can data can visualize, data can be used to take the decisions, and it is becomes a meaningful data. It becomes a meaningful information. Based on that, the management can take the decision. And here again, the different visualization tools nowadays available, so you can use those visualization tools as well to visualize data, to graphically represent the data. Basically, at this stage, once the data is basically processed, is basically analyzed, so it becomes a meaningful data, it becomes a information through which, by using this visualization, the management can take decisions about the incoming days. For example, you collected the weather conditions of a data for last 5 years, for example, and based on that, you can predict, you can make a report that what will be the condition of weather in the next 1 year. For example, you have collected the stock data for last 10 years, for example, and based on that, you can predict, you can represent or visualize the data about next 1 year about any particular stock. So that is, I'm just giving you an example here. Similarly, in an organization, you have collected the last 10-year data 10-year data of any product, and you can predict, you can visualize, through which management can take decision that what will be the expected performance of any product in the next 2 years. Okay, so basically the purpose of data science is to get the insights, about the data by using different new and emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, etc. And data management can take the decisions, can take the insights from the data. Actually, data is very basically a very raw format, like videos, clips, the forms, manual forms, etc. But by using the data science, we can convert that data into a meaningful information, through which management can take decisions, and it becomes a very insightful insightful information for management to take decisions. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.